Ooh. Check out the Curly Penny Amazon shop with all of my favorite products. Link down below in the description box. Hey y'all, so Valentine's Day is really close, and you know, I'm trying to look snatched for my mans because I want him to come home from work and be like, oh, you ain't trying to like just watch Netflix. And I'm gonna be like, no, I'm trying to go somewhere. I'm trying to look cute. Disclaimer, just for those of you who came here expecting an actual makeup tutorial, I'm just gonna take this moment to say I'm sorry, okay? I'm not no Nikki Tutorials. I'm not no, what's his name, James Charles. I'm not on that level. So the first thing I do is my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultimate. Yeah. Bro, I thought this was gonna be like $15 and it was like $20 at checkout. And I was like, what the hell? Why did you guys lie on the label? And shout out to Vanity Planet. You know, they must have seen my last video and they saw your boy struggling. And they were like, wow, she really don't know what she's doing. So they sent me this brush set. It has everything and like, I'm set for life. Thank you so much. Even though I don't know the uses of all these brushes, I'm sure that people out there who do actually know a lot about makeup know what they're for. Pero like, they have all the brushes that I need and use, and they're like soft and they work. So like, if you want to get your own, use my discount code down below. Help your boy out. So I'm going to take this one. I think it's called a fluffy brush and it's like used for blending. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna grab this one. So I went to Ulta, right? I am so shocked with how expensive makeup is. Like, I legit asked the worker and I said, hey, you know, like, do y'all got any... Oh my gosh, that is so strong. Oh my god, I haven't even started yet and I don't even like it. Whatever, I'm just gonna work with it. Hopefully it goes somewhere. What in the hell is going on with these companies charging $50 for eyeshadow? Do you know how many McChickens that is? Do y'all know how many $5 Taco Bell boxes that is? They tripping if they think I'm gonna be paying 50 McChickens for an eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna use like once a year. And then I feel bad because the workers like start bringing me all this makeup, like saying, oh, this is really good, like for you, blah, blah, blah. And then I see the price and I'm like, it's really not good. It's not for me, you know. Yeah, yes it is. It looks so good on your tone. No, I'm good, you know. I'll just wait till it goes on sale or something. But it is on sale. $50 is the sales price. Yeah, it's actually a really good deal. Okay. You was right. I'm gonna go home. Get my sister to come check out this deal. How about that? How about that? So now I'm gonna use this one to use it for what I believe is called the cut crease. And I'm basically gonna grab the same color but in shimmer. So I'm like on Instagram, right? And there's a lot of like Valentine's memes going on right now. And there's this girl or whatever, whoever the hell uploaded it. And they put, I'm not like other girls. I don't want to go to a fancy restaurant. You know, we can go to McDonald's, get some chicken nuggets, and watch Netflix. And I was like, let me guess, y'all been dating for like 2 months? Trust me, girl, once you guys been together 6 years like me and my mans, chicken nuggets don't cut it. You know, that's for like when you're dating because you don't want to seem like you're high maintenance. You don't want to seem like this and that. But girl, 6 years of chicken nuggets, are you sure that's something you want to put up with? Because I don't. Oh my god, I did not plan this look. So I'm really hoping at the end it just kind of pulls together. Because right now, I be looking like I have pink eye in both my eyes. At some point, you need to upgrade from chicken nuggets to filet mignon. Or filet mignon, as I used to call it before a fancy person corrected me. And they were like, filet mignon? Yeah, you know, like that word in the steak menu, filet mignon, you know? You mean filet mignon? Bless you. So this boyfriend I had in high school, we'll call him the McChicken boyfriend. Because he didn't have no job. He didn't have no car. And you want to know where we went for the movies? I don't know about you guys, but we have this broken down movie theater in my area called the $3 Movies. And they're playing a whole bunch of movies that are not even playing no more. I bet you they're still playing the B movie or like Paul Blart the Mall Cop. That's where we would go. And guess who would take us? His mom. in her minivan. Now listen, I'm not saying that you need to be a brat, okay? Because I never complained, you know, because we were in love. But there are just some dudes out here that don't even want to try no more. Get you a man that tries. Now I know you're probably thinking, wow, Piñao, why you gotta drag the guy so hard? Oh, honey, I got room for everyone, you know? I believe in equality. I got lots to say about everyone, including ya ladies. I see these memes on Instagram that I don't like. The ones of like, his hands look like this, so mine look like that. And she has like hella nice nails on and a big ass ring and a nice watch. And I'm like, girl, get over your princess complex, please. The poor guy's hand is like all cracked and dry and gross, and then your hands are all moisturized and whatnot. How about him, huh? What does he get? Oh, and I forgot the other part. The part where her hand is on like a really expensive car, like a Chrysler or Bentley, whatever. And I'm just like, hola, hola, hola. If my man's came out of nowhere with a super expensive car, that would not be flattering. I would immediately say, excuse me, where did this money come from? Because I know you did not just sign us up into grands and grands of debt for a stupid car. There we go. And y'all already know, your boy don't do foundation because it really scares me, okay? I just feel like I'm not doing it right. There's so many dang shades. And then people are like, undertone, warm tone. I'm like, what? Like, I remember when we were planning our wedding, I couldn't believe the things I was reading and hearing. So like every other person who's about to get married, you know, or even if you're not, you're single and bored, you know, you got a waiting board on Pinterest. Okay, don't lie. We all know you have one on private. I can't do this on camera, so I'm just gonna go to the bathroom to do basic eyeliner and mascara. Hey, y'all, I was feeling so unsure of this look, but now that I added the mascara and the eyeliner, yes, this is a Liger, okay? If you know where that's from, bonus points to you. But look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. It looks okay. Anyways, as I was saying, I was looking at a bunch of Pinterest boards, you know, highlighter, and I could not believe some of the things these women were saying. Check out David's Bridals. They're having a sale on dresses and they're only $10,000. No, honey. That's my tuition. Guys, I found a wedding planner. They're only charging $7,500. Where are you guys getting this money from? When I found out the average price of a wedding in the United States, I was gagging, okay? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Girl, I'm feeling myself. Oh, my God. Did you see that pimple? Who cares? No one's going to see it. Let's just use the baby hairs to... Oh, look at that. Baby hairs to the rescue. Anyway, the average price of a freaking wedding in the United States is $25,000. Where in the hell is this money coming from? Bruh, it doesn't even match. Damn it! I bought this just for this. Now I don't know what to do. I don't like this shade. I don't like how this one came out, so I'm gonna try this one, which is like slightly more different, but like, whatever. We'll see how it works. Is that a mole? What the frick? Since when did I have that? Anyway, so I got this cute Barbie suit for like 10 bucks at Burlington, y'all. I get a lot of my nice clothes from there. Because I know people be going to Michael Kors, and I'm like, more like Michael Pores. I can't afford that. And my man's really loves my natural hair, so I'm not going to put it up. So I'm just going to refresh it with my witch spray. I used to refresh my hair with plain old sink water in the morning. But now I use this. And I love this stuff. And I don't have my nails done because I freaking hate fake nails. I hate nail polish. Okay, so I'm gonna just have to couple this look with these Hobbit nails. Okay, so whatever. And now that the look is done, let's do a montage. Alrighty, y'all, so that was my Valentine's Day look. Let me know down below what you think, and let me know if you want me to make more get ready with me's. Y'all seem to like those, and leave me other suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to follow me on any of my social media, I'll leave all the links down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.